bar shape names. So now that you've learned both the E minor bar shape and the E bar shape, it's quite useful to know that all bar shapes actually derive from their respective open chords. And there is some great logic here. Let's take the E minor bar shape, for example. Slide this shape all the way down the neck so that your index finger reaches the nut. In this position, the nut replaces your index finger, so you can remove your index finger, but the bar shape is still there, formed by the ring finger, pinky, and nut. As you can see, this chord is the same as the open E minor chord, but with a different fingering. Normally, you'd play the open E minor chord with your middle and ring fingers, but now it's played with the ring finger and pinky. So this is where the E minor bar chord gets its shape and name from. The same logic goes for all other bar chords. Let's look at the E bar shape, which comes from the open E chord. Grab the E chord and imagine the nut being your index finger. The E bar shape is right there. Just add your index and start sliding.